Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So this is just a quick video playing with alcohol ink. Now, I don't know, many of us have um, photo paper around. Sometimes you buy them, if you buy like a fancy paper, you might have a few pieces in there. You can get them at the Goodwill. People are always getting rid of them. Sometimes you have to buy a big pack and you want to take, you want to print out a couple pictures, but you have all these left. So a fun way to use them is to take some alcohol ink. Now, I am just on the paper, just doing some drops and, kind of letting it run and mush together just to make a nice blend and kind of like confetti paper, I guess, is where I'm going with it. And when you're done, and you can see I'm just putting it on there and just giving it a tap. I'm using purple tailgate, twilight, purple twilight. Oh gosh, girl. Citrus. What other color do I got? Sunshine yellow and stream. And that's all. And you can use whatever you have. They have beautiful metallics, which would look awesome. You can do them in color schemes. Maybe you want just like some silver and blue, or silver and gold, or purple and yellow, whatever you want. And the colors mix and they do make other colors. You want to make sure that you're doing it, when it's wet. Let me move in a second here so you guys can see. So, you can take your blender, you can, whatever you want, whatever way you want to do it. It's a lot of fun. And put it in your die cut machine when you're done, right? And you get these cute little shapes and whatnot, or letters. A lot of die cut machines have letters that you can write a word or whatever and add this to your art journal page or your ATC, or what, even the pictures to the ATC. This is just a little bit of the alcohol blending solution. Sometimes I'll really just use alcohol like 70 or 90%, whatever I have. And a lot of this is already dried, but you'll see how like the purple look at that beautiful pink that the purple does. Look at that. And then the blue as well, the purple, all of them really go to a nice color. I love it. I love it. So now, add in different colors if you want. Like I said, you could just stick with that. But right now I'm going to add some citrus and just running that in there. And you'll see at the end when I blend it that the colors all go together to a beautiful butterscotch color, which is, awesome. But like I said, to use on greeting cards or whatever your gig is, you just use them. Now I will tell you, I have another video coming out using these in a different way. And I'll explain more in that video, but you can really, really use this in so many ways. You could put on, what I would do is, if I'm going to use this maybe as a middle of a page, maybe it's too bright, maybe it's not, and it doesn't end up being too bright in the end, but you can brush over watered down white paint and make it lighter, but that becomes a background for your ATC card or the middle of a card that you want to use, or your die cut, whatever. There's just so much fun stuff that you can do with it. Now I have my ink, I don't even know what it's called, my foam applicator thing. You'll see it's dirty. So once the alcohol blending solution gets on there, it does smudge a little bit with what's on there. But I don't care. You're going to see it just makes this really cool butterscotchy color, and it blends it all together. So, just a little tip for you guys, because many times we go to the craft stores or wherever, and AC Moore's going out of business. Go check it out because they have everything on sale and clearance. You can get a couple colors and you don't necessarily have to worry, because you can use it on, different papers. So always in your mixed media, it's great to use in there and in different ways. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know down below other ways you use alcohol ink. You can use it, on metal and everything, and make some jewelry. You can even cut this out and make it jewelry. As always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I love you guys so very much. I hope this was helpful to some of you. I've been playing with these again. I have all the colors. I should have done with the metallic, but you know, I went with the colors. What are you going to do? And look how pretty. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.